Hi there, back again for another session. This time we're going to add a field, a missing field, to an issue type. So if there's a specific issue type that you have and there's a field that you would like added to it and it's not there already, this is how to add it. So here is our issue here, and this is the issue type of improvement. And it doesn't have story points on it. So if you look down the column down here, down the right hand side of all the fields that we have available, and we show these 6 more fields, so we don't have story points on there. It's not here, and that's the one that I'd like to add this time. So to do that, I'll just open up a different screen so our ticket stays there. So go to this little cog up in the top right hand corner, click on that and go down to issues. Click on issues here. I'll just move my face over there for now. And then once we are in issues, we look for fields. We go down this list on the left hand side here to custom fields. Click on custom fields there when that loads. Now this is a list of all the custom fields that we have in our Jira instance. So the one we want is story points. So I will check for story, and here it is here, story points. Move my face out of the way. So it's this bottom one here, story points. So to edit that, we go over to the 3 dots right over on the far right hand side here and click on contexts and default value. So context and default value, click on that, and again, so all these little colored squares here are actually the icons for each issue type. Thank you, Atlassian, for not putting words on there to make it really clear what on earth they all are. But these are all the issue types that our story point field is currently connected to. So up here, configure custom field story points, and these are all the issue types that it's currently connected to. So to edit this list, we click just down here in the middle here on Edit Configuration. You can see this here. I'm going to click on this one here, Edit Configuration. And we go into here, and here is a drop-down list of all the available issue types. So you can see some of them are already highlighted here in grey. They're the issue types that the story points is already live on, and the ones that are not selected, obviously, they are the ones that it's not currently on. So we want to add improvement. So I'm on a Windows machine, so I'm going to press the Control key and then single click on my mouse to add improvement. It's probably your Command key, I think, on a Mac. Whatever the Mac key is for your multi-select, that's what you do. It's just your standard system multi-select. So on a Windows machine, it's just Control-click on improvement, and then as you can see, it's added it to the list, and all the ones that are now active are in blue. So you've got to be very careful there, because if you don't hit the multi-select button, you will unselect all the other ones. So that's a bit of a gotcha there, so do watch out for that one. And then down here, you can either put that on a global context, which will apply it to all issues in Jira, so regardless of project, or you can select this one, apply to issues under selected projects. If you tick that radio button there, and then on this drop down, you can select one or more projects that you want to make that change to. But in this case, I'd like to make this a global change. So I'm just going to leave that on global context. Hit the modify button down here. That's the save button. And here it is saved. So that should have added it. So if we now go back to our ticket here, and I'm just going to refresh this. So let me refresh the page, and aha, here it is. There you go. So story points, it has, oh, no, stop. Yep, no, there it is. Story points, it's been added here. So it's now on our ticket. And there you go. It's the issue type is improvement, and we've got our story points field. So it's that easy. I hope that's helpful. See you next time.